This is a great knot for binding anything. You can use it to bind rope, blankets, stacks of socks, anything.
You're not understanding.
You can use it to pull two things closer together even when they don't touch. You can use it to gently tie a wire to a table leg. It holds really securely even when not binding tightly. You can use it to tie two chopsticks together even if you are using pretty thick line. This is 1/4 inch thick Goldberg Paramax. You can even use it to tie a stack of books or DVDs together, or to tie a cover onto a box. Here's how to tie it. Make a line of good length and find the center. Place the center over your thumb and forefinger. Then wrap the line twice around your forefinger and twice around your thumb. Then close your forefinger and thumb and slide all the loops onto your thumb. At this point, I move it to my forefinger and I check the centering. You can see here that I have to adjust it. Once I have it well centered, I remove it from my forefinger and hold it carefully so it doesn't uncoil. Then I run the right end through it from the right and the left end through it from the left. Pull it a good ways through so it doesn't fall out. It's important now to dress the knot well. I tighten it up by pulling it from the bottom and rolling the coils and squeezing them together from behind. Once tied, the knot has two loops that are parallel to each other, and they should be the same size. It's easy to adjust them. Here I'm going to bind a book tightly shut. This is something you can't do with a constrictor knot, as it would just fall apart, and the Woodland Zip-Tie just isn't secure enough. You can see how tight this knot can be made, and yet it is still very easy to loosen just by pulling apart the two lines that enter from the sides of the knot. By cleverly twisting one of the loops 90 degrees, you can bind the book or box both vertically and horizontally at the same time. Note that the two lines coming out from under the smile of the knot now cross each other. I call this knot the Ratchet Band knot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.